Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Hattori from Brawlhalla. Now, to start off with this, we are going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this. Then right here, right where that line kind of curves down, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then it's going to curve up like this for the nose. Then I'm going to add a little curved line back here. Next, you want to make a line that just kind of goes down and then it's going to curve up for the eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. It's just going to be a little bit smaller. Then right here, I'm going to put a little curved line. Then in here, you want to color in just a little part right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing right over here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes right up to here, and then it's going to come back down. I'm going to color it in just for like a little bit of eyeliner right around there. Then I'm going to put a little line here, and I'm going to come down and add a little line right there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to curve in. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up for the chin. Then you want to make just a little kind of diagonal line for the mouth. And then right up here, I'm going to add two little curved lines. Then I'm going to curve up this part of the head. And then we want to work on the hair. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come up to here. Then it's going to go down, and then it's going to curve all the way back up here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over, and then it's going to curve up. And then right here, you want to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up like this, and then it's going to go down and come to here. Make another line that curves out and then comes back. Then I'm going to add two little curved lines right there. Now, starting right here by this part of the hair, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go straight down. And then I'm going to curve it up all the way back to here. Add a little curved line for the ear. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to kind of curve up here. And then I'm going to make a line that goes down, up, and then down here for like the little headband. Then I'm going to make a line that curves up and goes down here. And then one that kind of curves right to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves right around here. And then for the ponytail, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and down. And then I'm going to curve it up like this, kind of like in an S shape. Then you want to curve it back down and then go out and then come in. Then on this bandana, you're going to add two little lines. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes up and then comes back down. Then I'm going to add two little lines on it. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to go down and then curve back towards the hair with a long little curved line. Then I'm going to make a line here that's just going to go out. It's going to curve down and then it's going to kind of come back. Now for the body. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line for the neck. And then I'm going to make a line that just goes down. And then it's going to kind of curve up towards the chin. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go down like this. And then it's going to come back and curve up to here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up to here for the other part of the shirt. Then right here I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to come down. It's going to kind of curve around and then come up to here. Right here you want to curve a line that goes out and then it's just going to come back up to here, kind of like a little teardrop shape. And then right here you want to make a V shape. And then a line that's just going to curve up to here for more of the hair. And then just add a nice little curved line down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go over and then come up to here. And then another one's going to go down, curve over, and then come up. Make a little curved line here. And then a little curved line right there. Then make a little circle shape. And a triangle shape. And then another little triangle shape here. And then you just draw a little curved line. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up for the arm. A little curved line. Right here, I'm going to put a big kind of like oval shape that's a little bit skinnier at the top. I guess kind of like an egg shape. I'm going to make a line here that kind of goes out and it's going to curve in for the thumb. It's going to go down, curve up, down, and then it's going to kind of curve right around here for the hand. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down here. And then another one that goes down here for the leg. Make a nice line that just kind of curves down. It's going to go over and then it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes out like this. Right here I'm going to draw two lines that go down. Line that curves down like this. And then another one that just kind of curves down like this. They have some odd looking feet. Then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come back to here. Then I'm just going to continue this line here and add a line that goes over, up and down, and then over here for the foot. I'm going to make a curved line here, and then another one here. And then one that goes right there. And then I'm going to put a little curved line here and another one on top with a small one right along there. Then I'm going to draw a curved line down here and a curved line here with one right there and then one right there. Another curved line down, another one on top, and then one right in the middle. Okay, now on this arm right here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and then one up here. Then I'm going to add a line that goes right here, and then one little one right there. Now, over here we're going to draw that next arm. So starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and go out, and then come back towards the body. I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line right there with a little curve on it. I'm going to make another one of those kind of like egg shapes. Make it a little bit fatter at the bottom, a little skinnier at the top. This time I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves down and goes up for the thumb. Then I'm going to kind of curve out and come in. I'm going to go out and come in, and then out and come in one more time and go right to here. Then I'm going to put a curved line on here and a curved line right here for the little wraps on her arms. Then the next step, you want to draw a line that goes down to here, and then one little half one right there. Now, on her shoulder pads right here, you want to put a little curved line here, and then one right there as well. And then I forgot to do the detail on this foot. I'm just going to put a curved line and then a line that goes right to here. I'm going to draw a little line right underneath it just to make it a little bigger. I made that foot kind of small. Okay, the final thing we want to do is add her sword. So we'll start right down here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. Add a little circle that's colored in at the bottom. And then a little line that goes down and up. And then a little one right there. Then, starting here, right above the hand, I'm going to draw a little line that curves and then comes back to the arm. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. It's going to kind of curve up and then come back. Little line that's just going to go up, over, and then it's just going to kind of curve down. Then this part of the sword, I'm going to make it as straight as I can. I'm going to go straight up to here, kind of jump over this, and then go all the way to about her ponytail. Then you want to just kind of curve it down, and then go straight down, jump over this, and have it come right to about there, as straight as you can. And there you go. There is your drawing of Hattori from Brawlhalla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.